Hey, it's Don here. Welcome to Coloring Store Fortune. In this demo video, I'll walk you through the Coloring Store and how to install it. As you can see, we have a beautiful website here with everything pre-designed and preloaded. Menus with all items. Attractive hero section. Featured product section. Popular categories. Popular products. New arrivals. Kids collection and adult collections. Testimonials. Gallery and blog. Here's the main shop page with product listings and quick filters. Customers can filter by price range and categories and sort products through multiple options. Customers can explore the coloring pages by categories on this page or search for any product using the Ajax search box in the header. The product page is clean and optimized for user experience and conversion. Everything is designed to eliminate all the hard work on the store owner's end. User flow is designed to be extremely simple, as we're selling digital coloring pages. The site also comes with a beautiful, clean, and easy-to-use account system. When logging in, customers can track their orders and access their purchased products at any time. Google Drive download links and backup files are included in each product, so we really have a ready-to-launch store here. So let's see how easy it is to install the site. I have a fresh WordPress site here. Let's go to its admin dashboard, go to Plugins, and install the backup plugin. WP Vivid is my preferred plugin, but I provide files for all-in-one WP migration as well. After installing and activating the plugin, we can upload the provided backup file and start installing. After uploading the file, we'll begin restoring the backup. The installation time depends on your hosting's performance, but with my setup, you can install the site on any average hosting in 5 to 10 minutes. After the installation is done, you'll have a fully done store, ready to work right out of the box. Thank you for watching, and see you inside.